This is a techie one, home hack one. Jason Dugan said, I've started loosely folding the right side of my kilts, right past where the buckles are, over on themselves so that they can fit better on the hangers and fit inside my wardrobe better. Would doing this cause any damage over time?
Okay.
Just kind of scrunching up, refolding, or he's going like...
Sure.
Yeah.
When we're going to talk about our kilt hangers here. So we have kilt hangers that are 20 inches wide with 4 clips across the bottom. When I fold kilts to put them in my closet, I will fold them in thirds like I'm wearing it and then clip it across the back, Bob's your uncle. And I'll leave the straps, the 2 straps on the right-hand side, kind of sticking out off the right-hand side of the hanger. What he's saying is that he can't close the closet doors, or the straps end up banging in the closet doors, so he kind of twists the kilt. So instead of being in exact thirds, he kind of, twists it over a little bit so that the straps are here and the front apron is folded a third of the way in maybe, and then the pleats are kind of folded in a little bit in the back. And will that hurt the kilt over time? No, it's not going to hurt the kilt. You can fold it at different ways. There are different ways to store your kilts. But I've found that way, or something very similar to that, is the best way to do it. When we designed our kilt hangers, I know more about closet construction and hanger construction than I care to admit. Most closets, current day closets, not walk-in closets, or walk-in closets too, but most current day closets have the bar essentially 12 inches from the back wall of the closet. What that means is a kilt hanger with 20 inches across, with the hook in the center, 10 inches to the back of the closet, it will fit in there fine. Some older closets and older houses will have the bar essentially 10 inches from the back of the closet. That's why we stuck with a 20-inch kilt hanger and didn't go to a 22-inch kilt hanger. Now, where it can get a little bit tricky is if you're a gent with a waist bigger than, let's say, 40. If you have a 44, 50-inch waist, you have a little bit more kilt, if you fold it in thirds, hanging out beyond the end of the 20-inch hanger. Mm-hmm. And that can be difficult to put into a closet because that is going to hit the back wall of the closet or hit the door as it closes, especially if you have a thinner closet. In that instance, what we tell people to do is one of two things. Well, no, what we tell people to do for that, if it's a thinner closet, is instead of folding the kilt in thirds like you're wearing it, under apron, over apron, and then the pleats across the back, is take the kilt and fold it in quarters. So take the straps, the 2 straps that are by the fringe and the 1 strap of on the under apron, and touch them together and fold it straight across, so you're actually creasing in the center of what would be the center of the back, right between the belt loops on the back of the kilt. And then take that and fold it in half again. And then that way you can use the 4 clips across 4 sections of your kilt, not 3 sections, and that will keep it a little bit narrower within the closet as well. Mm-hmm. So either one of those won't really hurt the kilt. I'm not concerned about it. And when you wear the kilt out, even if you, let's say you had some little bit of sagging or some little bit of splaying, depending on the way it was hung in the closet or whatever, when you wear the kilt out for a day, and your body heat warms it up and warms up the wool, or your sweat gets into the wool a little bit, it's actually going to mold it back to your body a little bit. So I don't think it would be a problem. Do you have any thoughts on that? Or is that a pretty complete?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay.
Yep.
Very good. Mac, do you have any thoughts on it? No? Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Nah.
All right.
Nah.
Very good. That's my entire answer for all of us. Indeed. Hope that helps. For the low, low price of your firstborn child, you too can be the proud owner of a USA Kilts kilt hanger. Go over to usakilts.com, available now.